Good morning to each and everyone present here in this morning assembly. Respected fathers, sisters, member of the teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and you all, my dear Bosconions. Myself, Christina, student of class 3A, is standing in front of you to conduct today's morning assembly. The light of the sun is shining in the midst of the darkness, shining just as light of the world is shining. Sing and sing and do your glory. Shine on me, shine on me. Audience are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I'm proud of history and heritage, culture. I am Sonakarka, a student of class 3A, is standing in front of you to speak on topic union. We should always keep on serving unity. It is our duty to keep our country fit. The main goal of cleanliness is avoid the spreading of very important from personal hygiene and a healthy environment. Hindu animals present here. Here is today's importance of the day. January 13 is the 13th day of the year according to the Gregorian calendar. There are 362 days remaining until the end of the year. In 1951, the first Hindustani war took place. In 1948, Sir Sindar, Indian lawyer and politician, died. By 38, the media supplies Bishop and Saint died. Thank you. Then here in this morning assembly, myself, I'm Christian student of class 3A, standing in front of you to deliver today's thought for the day. Today's thought for the day is learn as much as you can while you are young. Try to become well. This is Dr. Hygiene and Namaste.
Good morning, teachers and students. We congratulate our children for having done this one day assembly very well, and they have inspired us in the way we thoughts. And I'm sure that the children have inspired our minds to do better and to take care of the cleanliness within ourselves and cleanliness outside. To every piece of cleanliness, we should offer cleanliness outside. Grooming the place and keeping tidy, everything outside of us. But dear children, the cleanliness must come first of all from within. How can we be clean within? Being truthful. First of all, being truthful and being what we are, our own originality.
So here is our school pantry for a prayer song. All Indian
from the speaker and the thought for the day and the importance of the day. I thank them, congratulate them for preparing all these for the day, for the inspiration of all of us. I wish to remind you that we know that God has given us many gifts. And God has given gifts to every one of His creatures. And we look, we see the animal world, the birds, the sky, the fishes in the water. They live without any complaint. And we know that they are happy very much. But at the same time, when we look at human beings, they are considered to be the higher beings, and they also have the God's gifts. Special gifts are given. But when we look around us, we hear about complaints, fights, and such kind of things. While the animal world lives without any complaints, like without any difficulties. And so we need to understand God's gifts and use these gifts in our daily life. And that's why not only the animals, but the human beings are given higher gifts. And we know that the God's best gift for us is the life that God has given us.
Fathers, sisters, teachers, and my dear fathers, I am here to check from last year. This prayer is the best way to communicate us. So I request my friend for a beautiful prayer. Bhagwan, हम सब हैं तेरे संतान. भगवान हमको दो वरदान. पढ़ लिख कर हम बने महान. हम बने ऐसे इंसान. हमसे चमके हिंदुस्तान. हे भगवान, हे भगवान. All India star, my brother and sister, I love my country, and I love history and heritage, culture. I am the Bosconions. Today our certificate, standing part of you. Together I am not plants. Plants are our friends. Part of plants are food, stem, leaf, flower and fruit. Plants give sunlight, water, air and soil. Plants give us oxygen for breathing. Plants give us food and medicine. Plants make environment clean. We cannot live without plants. Hey, student, for your birthday, January 11 by 11 day of the year. We will 54 days remain to until the end of the year. January 11 is the day and worship of Lal Bahadur Shastri. In 2008, the President ordered the first to summit Mount Everest, the day 88. In 1878, Nikwa left for the just standing last Boston University recognized her. I said everybody, we are going to deliver of the day. Every day must be the day to learn from you. Thank you and have a great day.
The question is asked by one of the interviewer. Yeah. On a stormy night, if you think that you are going on your vehicle and there is a seat vacant in your car, and as you go, you see three persons who are in need of your help. One is a pretty woman whom are putting your dreams, and second is one of your old friends who need some help, who have helped you previously, and the third is an old woman who is looking very critically ill. And the interviewer asked him, who will you be able to take or help? You understood, I hope? Three persons. One is a pretty girl, whom I put in your name. Second is an old friend of you. And third is an old woman. We need to think from our heart, not by the external things. And the interviewer, after thinking, he answered, he told, I will give the vehicle key to the old friend can drive the old woman in the vehicle to the hospital. Meanwhile, I will stand with the pretty woman till her bus comes. So that is where we need to think ahead. We need to think outside the box. We are in a way caught in the internal box from where we are not able to think outside. From our heart we need to think.
Good morning to one and all. Present here is calling my family. My family of class 3A is sending me all of you all to come back to their calling my family. It's me, children too. Every moment your life is mislost. You're always there by my side. You are there all of your day and night. My brother and sister. I love my country, and I have each rich and variety culture, language, and religion. Myself, Harshita Datta, student of class 3A, standing in front of you all to deliver a short speech on the topic World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 6th June every year. It is celebrated to remind us to take care of environment. Environment is the most important things to live like water, oxygen, food, etc. We should keep our environment clean and safe. We should plant more trees, save water, and minimize uses of plastic. Good morning to each and everyone. Here is the importance of the day. January 8 is the 9th day of the year. 365 days remain until the end of the year. In 2007, Edward Williams Peter introduced the original highway in San Francisco. In 1980, the Battle of Philadelphia took place. In 1873, the President of France died. Thank you everyone. Wonderful day. Myself, Anjali from class 6 today. I'm bringing here to deliver today's short word again. It's easy to stand with the cloud, black, courage, faith, and alarm.
Good morning, teachers and students. Today, class 3A has conducted the examination. The very start of the week, they have reminded us with the thought of the day. It is easy to stand with the crowd. That means what? It is very easy for any one of us to follow whatever the others are doing. It can be good, it can be bad. So, in the school also, you will be looking at your friends and you just blindly follow them. She is doing or he is doing that, or he is doing this, or he is saying that, she is saying that. So I do it. But it is difficult to stand alone. That means to have your own ideas, to have your own values, to have your own thoughts, to be you yourself. Each one of us have our own identity, and our face is one of our identity. So I need to live according to the face that I have. Do I have the face of a crowd? Do I have? No. I have my own face. So I have my own identity, and thus I need to be myself.